Did you know that honeycomb wax can be used to make soap and candles? The word cake comes from Middle English and is probably a borrowing from Old Norse. Biscuits are bought by 27 million households and eaten on 6 billion occasions a year. That's a lot of biscuits.